Hi, my name is Greg Kung, a Canadian travel videographer. Welcome to the Adobe Premiere 2020 Essentials. This course is designed for beginners or whether you're someone working for a company that wants to improve their video editing skills, or maybe you're a freelance company or freelancer that wants to edit videos for corporate clients. This course is for you. This course is going to be filmed in Adobe Premiere 2020, but we're also going to cover Adobe Premiere 2019 because there aren't a lot of differences between those editions. I've been video editing in both editions, so we are going to provide lots of content on the most important features in 2020. Things like the auto reframe, where you get to change the aspect ratio for your existing videos so that they are adapted to social media like Instagram TV, YouTube, Facebook, etc. I'm also going to supply you with project footage that you can practice with, that's shot with high-powered cameras like the Panasonic GH5 that shoots 4K 10-bit footage. We're also going to supply you with footage shot from cameras like drones, GoPros, so you get the real-world experience. Whether you're someone who wants to edit professional videos shot in 4K, multi-camera, or even if you're doing audio on a separate feed and you need to do syncing, you're gonna get that practice in this course. Currently, I'm at the Summit co-working space in Chiang Mai, Thailand, where I have access to high-speed Wi-Fi, external monitors, great chairs and great tables, and so on. I'm gonna share some of my top tips for being an effective remote video editor from around the world. So if this sounds good, please click the enroll button and we'll see you in the course. Bye.